English grammar in just 2 months, absolutely free by LATS Smart Prep. Hello everyone, do you want to improve your English grammar in a short period of time? LATS Smart Prep is proud to announce a completely free English grammar course specially designed to help students master English grammar in just 2 months. Course starting date inshallah 15th of June 2026.
Inshallah, this course is not just about watching lecture. We have designed a complete learning system to ensure better understanding and continuous improvement.
You will receive topic-wise English grammar video lectures, daily tests, weekly tests and monthly tests, topic-based educational podcast, progress tracking through our mobile app to enhance your understanding of every topic. We will also provide educational podcasts that explain grammar concepts in a simple and engaging way. All tests and assessment will be conducted through the LATS Smart Prep app, which will be provided to all registered students free of charges.
Our mission is simple: to make quality education accessible to everyone, regardless to their location or financial circumstances.
This opportunity is especially valuable for those students who cannot attend physical classes regularly, and most importantly for our sisters and daughters who wish to learn English from the comfort and safety of their homes. This course is golden opportunity to improve their English grammar and build confidence for academic and professional success.
To registration, simply send your full name and your father's name on WhatsApp at this WhatsApp number and secure your registration today.
There is no registration fee, no course fee and no hidden charges. Join and start your journey towards better English with LATS Smart Prep. LATS Smart Prep, making quality education possible for everyone.